Are you struggling to get your room truly dark, even with makeshift solutions like this? We sure were. We needed to black out the baby's room, but despite our best efforts, light still found its way in. We decided to upgrade to UBlockout shades, which promised 100% blackout, no more light seeping through. Today we're installing them in Theo's room to finally get that complete darkness we've been after. Installing UBlockout shades was quick and easy. The installation process took us about an hour for both windows. The setup was as simple as assembling the frame, mounting the hardware, then securing the shades. I love that the product came with everything you needed. The kit includes all the hardware and even the tools you need to assemble the shades. There's a QR code you can scan and open step-by-step instructions on your phone. Videos even walk you through every step of the installation. What's great about UBlockout is their customer service. They were there every step of the way, from measuring the windows to getting them set up with automation. The one issue we had was pairing our remote after installing, but their support team was able to help quickly and get us up and running. We now have the shades paired to Alexa, and she can open and close them with voice command and on a schedule, so we can serve energy during the sunny parts of the day by having them close automatically. These shades are a total game changer for anyone needing a dark room, whether it's a nursery, a media room, or even your bedroom. We couldn't be happier with our decision to switch to UBlockout shades. Installation was a breeze, and now Theo's room is finally the perfect dark, cozy space for sleep. Interested in UBlockout shades? Check the link in the description for more details. Now, let's test it out. Time to see if they really deliver on that 100% blackout promise. Just look at the difference. We finally achieved a completely dark room for Theo's naps and bedtime. 100% blackout, just like they promised. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.